Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making egg sauce with walnuts. Let's get right to it. To start, slice scallion and longhorn pepper. In a mixing bowl, crack eggs and whisk. Set aside for later use. In another mixing bowl, add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili bean sauce, sugar, cornstarch, and water. Stir fully. Heat cooking oil in a saucepan and add scallion and pepper. Stir until fragrant. Add egg mixture and stir until egg cooked. Pour in the sauce mixture and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it thickens up. Serve with walnuts, and then egg sauce with walnuts is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.